Stop calculating salary manually based on attendance because today I'm going to show you a smart Excel system where you just enter total days, present days, and monthly salary, and Excel will automatically calculate per day's salary and final salary instantly. This is extremely useful for offices, small businesses, and students learning real-world Excel skills. So first create a table with columns like name, total days, present days, salary, per day's salary, and final salary, and enter some sample data. Now, the first step is to calculate per day's salary by typing equals, selecting the salary cell, and dividing it by total days, and press enter, then drag it down. Many people make one common mistake while calculating salary. They directly multiply salary with present days, which gives wrong result. So always calculate per day's salary first, and then multiply with present days, otherwise your final amount will be incorrect. So now Excel knows how much each employee earns per day. Now comes the main part where we calculate final salary based on attendance. So type equals, select present days, and multiply it with per day's salary, and press enter, and drag it down, and instantly you can see final salary is calculated automatically based on how many days each employee was present. Now let's test this system by changing present days for any employee, and you'll see final salary updates immediately without any manual work, which shows the power of automation. Now imagine using this in real life, where every month you just update attendance and salary is calculated automatically, saving hours of manual effort and reducing mistakes. You can also use this system in real life by connecting it with attendance sheets or adding columns like bonus and deductions, and your entire payroll system can become automatic, which is useful for HR, offices, and even small businesses who want to reduce manual work and errors. You can also extend this system by adding bonus, deductions, or linking it with attendance sheet for full automation. And this is exactly how smart Excel users build systems that work for them instead of doing repetitive calculations. So try this yourself and start using Excel in a smarter way.